So guys, it's Saturday night, the night before Bingley Hall. This is what this video is about. If you haven't guessed for the title, you're going to join me in a second and we're going to flip right to the supermarket. Also, we've got some more balloons up there for the Looney Tunes ending. So I'll see you shortly. You alright? Can you think of anything we need for Bingley Hall tomorrow? I'm going to get some crisps. I need some more stuff as well. You know where it's at. Let's go! Next up we need some puffy food. We'll pay and get back in the car and that's us done. In style. Guys, that was just ridiculous. Like, it's freezing outside. One, it felt very weird with the camera inside. I need to get used to that if I want to make these videos better. So I'll shut up and we'll get home because I've got a banging headache and I'm starving. Yo guys, it is the next day. Last night we got a few supplies, we got some just like drinks and that and some crisps on the way down. Now on the way to go and get Mark. I've got the cameras, I've got all the stuff in the car. We're now officially on our way to Bingley Hall in style. So I'll catch up with you in just a couple of seconds. Goodbye. Here we have him. Shut up, Mr. Slaphead. Let's roll a few shots and make our way down there, pal. You got anything to say? No. Can I have 2 lattes, please? You're a bald man, aren't you? Yeah. What are you doing? Have you got anything to say?
Annoying kids, yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So the sun is arising now. We're just about to get onto the M6. Me and Slaphead. Well, me and shut up. Me and Slaphead are hoping that we're going to see quite a few minis on the way down there. So if I do see a mini on the way down there, and you see a camera sticking out the window, and you happen to see this video, it is me.
If you see a Mercedes, a red Mercedes with a stupid black roof box on that says Surf Life on, that's definitely Thomas's car.
Okay. Cheers for that, mate. Pretty sure you've all seen it in the videos anyway. So I'll shut up, we'll have a bit more motorway footage, and yeah, we'll carry on. So, see you soon. Me and the man have arrived. It's a bit dark because I've got a black headliner in the car, but I think we'll get out, have a look with the aid of a drone. Let's do that before we get in trouble. So, me and the Slaphead are here. Say hello, Slaphead.
Hi, Slaphead.
Bloody hell, your head's blending in with the horizon. Look, because of how white it is.
Right, okay.
Okay.
Right, okay.
Okay.
Right, okay.
Okay. So we need to pay and get in. I hope you like the drone footage, and I'll shut up and we'll have a look at some minis, won't we, Dad?
Yeah, some minis.
Some minis. And we'll probably end up meeting up with a few other fellow YouTube guys soon. So I'll check back in for that. Just before we do switch to the cinematic shots, I can't believe the turnout. This is like 4 times the amount at Stamford Hall.
This is what happens when you don't get tickets in advance.
Okay.
There goes a sight from my soul.
the div.
I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by.
Talk.
Are you?
It's not focusing on you.
Why? It's
Because your head's too shiny, mate.
Yeah. Okay.
Time for a break because I'm knackered and I bumped into a lot of you, so I'll see you shortly.
Just walked by.
I think it's all angels just walk by.
So me and Mark are upstairs with Alex. Bumped into quite a few people, Paul, George, Nat, Kev from Gentleman's Motivating Team. So
Team Slaphead.
Hashtag Team Slaphead. We're upstairs at the minute, but we're going to meet up with everyone else later down this end. And yeah, you're just talking over me now, mate.
I'm doing it on purpose.
Okay. But we're going to meet up with everyone in a bit, so you'll see that. But other than that, I think we'll just roll a few more mini shots while I have something to eat because, yeah, I've got quite a few to show you. So keep enjoying. Goodbye.
Just walked by.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul.
So we've just eaten. I know that sounds very vlog-like, but we're going to go down here now and we're going to meet the rest of the people that do YouTube mini videos with Mark and Alex. Too much shadow on my face here with this. I'm getting looked at like a right goon because I'm talking into a camera and I'm not used to this sort of stuff. I've found that the lighting's very poor in here. So
must be something to do with the shine off my head.
Okay. Yeah, it is. I'm struggling to get decent camera shots. People
Thanks very much. Brilliant.
Nice one.
Thanks, Tom.
To do with the DJ SE. What are you doing here, pal?
Looking at new shape minis. I don't like old minis.
Okay. That's well said, that, mate. I've seen this guy. You saying hello? So, Kev is here. And we're going to hook him up with a Team Slaphead shirt.
I think it's quite relevant, isn't it?
Of course, he is a Slaphead.
Team Slaphead.
Slaphead crew.
So, how often do you shake your head? Twice a week. Do you, mate? Mate, nice to see you. How are you? Very well.
We're just talking Slapheads, by the way. You're not part of the Slaphead clan,
No,
are
I'm
you?
not in the Slaphead. No. It's genetics. Genetics.
Yes. Who? We've got a complete reverse. We've got a beard. All the hair's gone there. Yeah.
Come on, you might as well join the crew.
There we go. Come on. And you. Squeeze in.
Hello.
The real mini restorer.
Yeah, that's it, George, I'm the real one.
That's it. Doing the dirty work.
No nails, they're all odd shapes, look.
Crew.
See?
Crew. Absolute crew.
Oh, I bought a present there as well. Oh, friend.
Didn't know that was
Oh, happy days. See that? Bet the old Somerset. Make sure you drink it when the sun's shining. Is it that strong or not? It's not too bad. How cool is that? I've got a present too as well.
Yeah, mate.
I did tell him you wanted straws, but you know, the nice little umbrella, you weren't having it.
I've got to wear it in the video.
I think you had one on your channel, didn't you? Yeah.
I've got to wear it in the video.
Nice.
There we go.
Right, Josh.
No, then, alright.
T-shirts, alright.
Alright, yeah.
That's the colour I want, Dad. This is the colour I'm thinking of going for the mini. Me and the Slaphead have entered a raffle into winning a mini for £1. So we've got £7 on it. and if we win,
I'm driving it home.
Sorry, not if, when I win. I'm now going to look at not bad if I don't win.
I'm driving it home.
I'm driving it home. So we'll let you know, we'll video it when it comes to the raffle time, won't we, Mark?
Yeah, we will.
Here we go then. First number on the orange ticket is a 2.
Oh, 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 oh.
Third number is a 9. Hey?
Thank you. Thank you, Dave.
Also, thanks to Danny.
So we didn't win the car, did we, Dad?
No.
Had a good day.
Met some of the big boys from YouTube.
Some of the big boys.
Give some t-shirts out with Team Slaphead on.
Also, just before the battery dies on this camera, because I have shredded it today, thanks everyone for saying hello. There's that many of you, I can't remember the name. Adam Parker, if that's wrong, I apologise. He come up to me and said he's got an R1 Mini that I can go and see down in Walsall, and we can do a video on it. So Adam, I'll be hitting you up on Facebook. I'll bring a t-shirt down for you and your lads, and yeah, that'll be a great video to make. So I'll shut up, we'll get in the car, and then we'll film the journey home and grab a pint. See you later. Sean C, Volume 1.
In the house.
Let's see what it sounds like.
Rave mix in the house.
These are mint, by the way, mate, but I can't show them too long because I'll get done for copyright. If you want a CD, hit Sean C Mini up. There'll be a link in the description and he'll send you one out. I'm sure you will, mate, won't you?
Cheers. Simply lovely.
Guys, thanks very much for watching this video. It has been brilliant filming it. I had such a good day meeting everybody. It is very nice knowing and putting a face to people that actually watch my videos rather than just looking at a number on the internet. So I will try and keep in touch. I've just finished editing this video, so I'm going to move on to the next one and get that edited. So my life is pretty much in edit right now. But yeah, don't forget, please click this button here because you'll be notified every time you upload, and just turn the bell on because it'll go like that. Yeah, let's do the outro.
See you later, guys.
Okay.
There goes a sight from my soul.